Now, this photo was at the beginning of January. I started the year off kind of rough. And as you can see, I got stuff everywhere. But I'm going to explain in my video what's going on. I was miserable. I'm not going to lie to y'all. So, please tune in.
Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal. I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals. We been trapping like the 80s. She said the nigga so.
What's up, you guys? I'm back with another YouTube channel. Checking in. Y'all, it's a new year and I still haven't got a new headset. But you know what? That's between me and God, okay? We're gonna pray about this. These headsets is a little tight. Yeah, this truck driver here, we're not doing that. Okay. But anyway, what's going on? I hope that your new year and your Christmas was good. I haven't talked to you guys in a long time. I've been kind of just dealing with this problem that I needed to resolve. And by the grace of God, we got it together. Yes, we did. Y'all just don't know I've been miserable. I've been miserable. The year kind of started out rough for me, and I couldn't figure out what was wrong. It got to the point where I would get out the truck, and everything would be normal. But when I get back in the truck, I noticed I was hoarse all over again. If you go back and look at some of my recent YouTube videos, I did stress about eating healthy, and I went to the doctor and they stuck this tube down my nose. I went to the ears and throat doctor because I could not figure out what was going on with me, and I was really hoarse. You know what that doctor told me? He said, you got acid reflux. I was in denial. I didn't want to believe it. You know, me being me, because I'm like, man, whatever. I'm too young to be having acid reflux. Because I don't even eat like, you know, I eat, but I don't even eat like this, you know, to be just having no acid reflux. And I knew it was something else wrong. But anyway, long story short, I had exhaust sleep. And it literally could have killed me. You know, by the grace of God, I'm thankful that we have great mechanics here that, you know, at our company that's willing to work with us and figure out little small teeny things. But me not knowing, you know, I am a female, we do fall short on things. We think we know everything, we think we know, but you know, it takes a man perspective to also look at the truck as well, like a mechanic who knows what they're doing, you know. So he might have looked at my truck and told me that I had an exhaust leak. And y'all know I've been fighting with this 4 to 5 months. Can you imagine dealing with this 4 to 5 months, inhaling this every day, all day? I never could figure out why the top of my car was black. I just thought maybe that was just the dust, because I do sometimes ride with the windows down, so I thought that was the dust from, you know, pulling on dirty yards. And, you know, I couldn't figure that out, so I was like, okay, yeah, you know, it's good to always wipe your truck down, which is what I was doing. But the whole time I was looking at it, it was real black and dark. It was black soot. So I was like, okay, there's something else going on. But I just still kept ignoring the problem. And I just go ahead and wipe it down real good. But one day I was going down the highway, and something just told me something not right. Because I had went on vacation for 2 weeks in December. While I was on vacation, I wasn't hoarse. Nothing was wrong with me. I was fine. I could eat what I want, chicken, whatever above the sun, burgers. I could eat everything, and I was fine. I didn't need the medication. I had been on medication. I had took almost 2 bottles of the medication. Actually, I really did believe that I had acid reflux. But something went wrong where I got out this truck. For 2 weeks, I was not hoarse at all. I was fine. I was happy. I was bubbly. I could drink. I had went 4 months without drinking liquor. Oh God, you know how that is, especially being a truck driver, being on the road. When you get home, you ready to kind of have a little stiff little drink. But long story short, I got back in that truck, and the second day I was in that truck, I immediately got hoarse. It didn't take no time. So right then and there, I knew I had been out the truck 2 weeks in December. But I got back in the truck at the beginning of the year and started rolling. And all of a sudden, I just got hoarse. Like, it hurt me to swallow. So I knew then something in this truck was making me sick. gotta pay attention because this could have killed me. This could have killed anybody. You inhaling this all day, every day. And I've been dealing with this 4 to 5 months. By the grace of God. And it be some days. Look, I said, by the grace of God, I'm just thankful. Let me y'all just don't know. Woo! By the grace of God, I'm thankful. And it be some days where I felt like I couldn't get up. I was just tired. Like I felt exhausted. Like it felt like something was keeping me knocked out, cold-blooded. Where some days I would, get up, have to deliver a load, and I'll oversleep. And I could never. I'm like, well, I know I'm getting plenty of rest because we're on a 10-hour break rule now, So what's the problem? But anyway, we got it fixed. We put clamps on the exhaust pipes down there. We turned the pipe, cut it. We turned the right side of the passenger side. We got it fixed. Mechanic came in and did everything he needed to do, and he got the job done. Just happened at the beginning of the year of January. Like I said, it was kind of rocking for me. I was kind of, under weather. I just really wasn't feeling it, to drop any more videos to let y'all know what was going on with me. And I finally got back in the cab. After he did what he did, mechanic, once he did everything and put the clamps on there and cut the pipe and turned the pipe, right side. Everything's been good so far. And we're at the end of the month, and I've been fine. I've been able to back singing and everything. I feel good. I'm happy. I'm good. So if you ever feeling like you feel tired all the time, or your voice is changing early in the morning, kind of strange, you see black, look like it's dusty. It just look real dusty inside your cab. Pay attention to the signs. Sometimes we ignore it, but it's not good to ignore it. And that's what I did. I told her, like, whatever, it's probably just dirty. But after I got the opportunity to get, lift the bed up and, the curtains and everything, like, I actually seen all the black stuff that was inside the cab. It made me sick to my stomach because I was inhaling it every day, all day. No matter if I was on a conversation with somebody, talking on the phone, singing, all that was going inside my body. It's dangerous. It could have killed me. So be aware of those things and be mindful of those things and make sure that you're paying attention. If you love yourself, you got to take care of yourself. So, and also pay attention to what your truck doing to you. Your truck can also kill you too when you not realize. So, I love you guys. Stay safe out here. Remember, make sure we check our trucks even when we don't think it really matters. Make sure we paying attention there because this could kill us. It's carbon dioxide. We dead, folded over in the dish somewhere, and your driver's friends not knowing what really happened. But I'm here to tell you, I'm a living witness of this. I fought with this for 4 to 5 months. Y'all can ask my friend B. Michelle that's been on my YouTube video. She will let you know. She talked to me every day, and I was hoarse out of my mind. I was just sounding like a man till I didn't even know who I was. It's ridiculous. But other news, you guys, be safe out there, and I love you guys. Peace out.